Luxury and lifestyle come together at Ocean Reef Club. Located in Cay Harbor neighborhood, this top-floor unit remarkably renovated, fully furnished, and features 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, an open floor plan, kitchen with granite counters and stainless steel appliances, and a stunning view of the members' channel to the Atlantic. This condo is all about location, centrally located to the club's most popular amenities, dining and shopping outlets, and within walking distance to Buccaneer Island. Cay Harbor neighborhood offers an outdoor community pool with barbecue area and common dockage for each unit up to 40 feet with immediate access to the ocean. This luxury condo is perfect for those who want it all: comfort, convenience, and design. If you're looking for a move-in ready condo, be sure to see this one. Follow your way to Ocean Reef Club, follow your way home.